Ready? Please take seats, everyone. Mr. President, sir, welcome to the Philippine National Police Command Center. This is where we orchestrate all the police operations nationwide, including the 911. The best demonstration of this facility, sir, is a test. If you want to contact a station, like for example, you're in vacation somewhere in the Philippines, you are in a town, and somebody meets a traffic accident, dials 911 and requests for police assistance. This is what happens, sir. So, is there anyone from the party of the president? So we can. At the outset, sir, I would like to demonstrate the 911 calls. What happens when somebody calls the 911, sir? Okay, sir. May we ask Sec John Vic, sir, if you give us the pleasure of, or your secretary, sir, to call the 911 and see what happens, sir, so that we can actually demonstrate to you what happens when somebody calls 911. Or any of our secretaries? Mayor Gemma Lubigan, 13 Martires City Hall. Okay, so one person in i-demo ko muna sir yung 911 natin. So what happens with 911 is that when somebody calls 911, this is what happens.
You have reached the emergency 911 hotline. Press 1 for police assistance. Press 2 for fire department. Press 3 for emergency.
So when somebody presses 1 there, there's a ring.
Good morning, 911. Where's your emergency?
Can you connect me to 13 Martires, Cavite City?
Copy,
13
sir.
Martires
Pabawal
City,
po, sir.
Cavite. 13 Martires City, Cavite.
Copy, sir.
Sino kausap? Sir, somebody, one of these operators, sir, is answering our calls. So, ang standard natin, sir, is 3 rings. So, 3 rings, matatawagan, sir. But, the faster way is Zalo. May, sa tunay na buhay,
Good morning, sir.
good morning. Test call from
Yes, sir. Good
PCC.
morning po.
Pwede bang malaman ang pangalan mo, state your name and your location?
10 po, sir. NUP Calosa, sir. Exact 20, 13 Martires Police Station, Barangay Gregorio, 13 Martires City, sir.
Thank you, thank you. Kindly dispatch 1 unit with body camera, to Mayor Gemma Lubigan. Papuntahan mo at gusto namin siyang makita sa command center. Send 1 unit with body camera to Mayor Gemma Lubigan.
10 po, sir. Sending
Dispatch.
3 patrollers, sir, to City Hall, sir.
Copy. Sige. Time starts now.
Break. 3 patrollers.
10%.
So, Mr. President, the police cars of 13 Martires are now running to City Hall. They have 4 body cameras. The others are using the old phones, discarded phones that we retrieved from the storage and placed Zoom meeting. Left panel. Yes, sir. May stop po, sir. Alam 5 minutes yun, sir. They need to be in the City Hall within 5 minutes.
Advice PWC on responding team.
Dito na malaman, sir, kung si Mayor, sir, ay nandun sa City Hall or wala. Pag wala, sir, makikita natin ang City Hall. Pwede rin natin actually siyang mahanap, sir, kung nasaan siya. Basta within city limits, we can send another patrol car to her location. There you go.
695 base. PWC ng responding team.
Diretso sa Mayor's office. Kamo si pinapahanap siya ng presidente and si SILG. So, sir, we are now in the place of alarm, which is the Tres Martires City Hall, in 1 minute and 13 seconds.
As per advised by Code 1.
Paki-instruct, tawagan si Mayor.
Sir Malasagwe, 695 days.
Go ahead, 695 base. This ko sir.
Sige, Tango. Kaiser 612 na. Tuloy mo lang. Nagmo-monitor kami sa command center. Monitoring sa command center. Pakihanap si Mayor. Paghanap si Mayor. So, sa ngayon, sir,
695 base. Advice.
sa ngayon, sir, may papakita rin kami mamaya, sir, ng mga
Sabihin kay Mayor na
tumatakbo,
tumawag
sir.
Kay LG.
Yes, sir. That's already inside City Hall. Going to the Mayor's office, sir. Hindi, sir. Pero pwede nating matawagan, sir, through video call kung may... hindi, sir. Hindi, sir. One way tayo, sir. Nakikita natin siya, pero hindi natin sila nakikita.
Personnel, pakisabi kay Mayor, tumawag kay SILG.
Pakitanong yung number ng pulis na may hawak ng body camera, tawagan natin para makausap siya ni Secretary John Vic. Kunin niyo yung number, tawagan ko. Yung pulis.
Kunin namin yung number
Nako,
ng
Diyos me, ito ang
responding
problema
personnel.
natin, sir. Mabilis ang internet, mabilis ang pulis, mabagal ang internet. the internet is hanging pag sa loob sa ng mga building. Yes, sir. Pero that's one challenge. Yes, sir. Cellphone number? Yes, sir.
695 base, yung cellphone number ng responding personnel.
Yung responding personnel natin, sir, all the time ay nakakausap natin, sir. We are through radio, sir. We are in constant communication with them. Right now, sir. Puntahan natin sa bahay, sir. Address, sir, address. Dispatch sa bahay ni Mayor. Pakisabi, wala siya sa mga opisina. Diretso sa bahay ni Mayor.
Padiktik na na sa Papa.
Sabi mo sa COP, dispatch. Okay. Quezon City? Yan, sir. Tatakbo na uli yan, sir. Tatakbo naman sa bahay ni Mayor, sir. Time, reset. Reset, time, 5 minutes. Every day, sir, we are doing like 50, 60 exercises, sir. So every hour, all over the country, there are 2 running exercises. That's why on July 17, while we are doing an exercise, Panabo Police Station suddenly shouted, "Sir, sir, sir, break, break, break." Live! Report of armed person inside the hotel. So we recorded and we will show it to you, sir, the result, which the person was arrested. And we have already around, since the start of 911 last year, sir, mga 10 million na, sir, ang ating na Ang actionable, sir, is, ang na-receive natin, sir, na tawag is mga around 16 million. 60%, 60% ang 10%, sir. Ang 10 million ay actionable, sir. And we have resolved in Metro Manila, 94% are resolved within 5 minutes, sir. May- Yes, sir. Effective, sir. Nasa na yung patrol car natin? Yan na naman. Nag-delim na naman, sir. Mga internet problems. But, may dispatch? The body camera number nang pupunta kay Mayor? Same. Okay. Galing City Hall siya tumakbo. Yan. Nagugulo si Mayor. And among the things that we are doing, sir, this is what you are watching, sir, is the body camera. The other provinces, we have the old cell phones with which we loaded with Zoom and Discord. That's why nagagamit namin, sir, in supplement Cavite, sir. Mas marami yung body camera, sir, kaysa patrol car. Yes, sir. Cavite province, sir. Oh, kaya lang, ang internet, sir, ngayon, explaining yan, sir, ang Globe and Smart. At dead ang ating internet sa bahay ni Mayor. 2-3? 2-3. Andun na sila, sir. Nakarating na ang pulis, sir, sa bahay ni Mayor. Ang internet, sir, hindi pa nakakarating. Hinihintay natin ng konti. Ay. Sige. Ay, hindi. Tinatawagan ni sir. Kausap ni sir. Ay, tawagan mo. Jean, kausap.
695 base advice responding team.
Hello.
Sabihin kay Mayor, tumawag kay SILG.
Sige, hanapin niyo. Sabihin mo, nanonood ng presidente, si President Marcos dito sa PCC natin. Kakausapin siya ni SILG. Okay. Sir, ito, sir, ang ating police na responder. Pwede mong kausapin at ipasa ko, sir, kay Mayor. Naku, wag mo kong i-break. Internet. Two-way, sir. May signal sa body camera. Signal din dito, sir. Pero dito, sir, I think wala, sir, dahil nagbigay, sir, ng 10 Starlink si ma'am, sir. The last time that she was here, she gave us 10 Starlinks. And she gave us also, sir, that left side, yung Cavite City. Tingnan mo kung may Zoom sila. Hello. Ayan si Mayor. Hello. Hello. Pati ang signal, sir, talagang doon mahina sa kanila, sir. Pati ang tawag dito, sir, mahina. Yeah. Oo, sir. Yan na si Mayor. Hinihintay na nila, sir, si Mayor. Ito na, sir. So, we are there in 2 minutes and 41 seconds. Yes, sir. Si Mayor na lang mabagal, sir. Ayaw magpakita. And then, Code 4, pakisabi nyo lang na thank you for joining the exercise. Tawagan nyo lang ulit. Sabihin nyo, andito lang si sir.
695 base.
Okay, sir. In the next demonstration, sir, we are... One of the areas, sir, that we had lacking body cameras is in Davao Peninsula when I was the RD there. What we did, sir, is we got all the old cell phones. Left side, left panel, Davao Peninsula. What I did was get these old cell phones, place it in the patrol cars on a mount with Zoom meeting, sir. So there is a Sino-zoom namin, sir. So, ngayon, sir, we can try. Do you want to choose one province, sir? na pwede nating tingnan ang kanilang ginagawa. 11, kung makapili kayo sir ng isang province. We are using only sir mga POC radios which are available on the market, commercial. May mga, ang maganda lang dito sir, it has a SIM card sir, it runs through the telecoms. Yes sir. Yes sir. PTT over cellular, radio over phone. Exactly sir. Sir, can you choose one? Can you choose one province, sir? Not Davao City, sir. One province, sir. Davao del Sur, Davao Occidental, Davao del Norte. Yes, sir. Baron Base, Jubilee Base, Kaiser 6. Ang Baron is Davao City. Yan sir ang... I would recommend sir another city sir. Another province, not the city sir. Jubilee Base, just for the record, state your name and your location.
10-4, sir. Good morning, sir. 10-11, Patrolman Luquinho. 10-13, Sunny. 10-0, Kamsadin Quintin E. Mercido, Buhangin, Davao City. Over.
Stand by. We'll choose one province. Any province, sir? Occidental is Power, Davao del Sur, Matrix, Davao del Norte, Thermal, De Oro, Giga. Oriental is Buffer. Yung medyo malayo-layo, sir. Medyo isolated ng konti na probinsya, sir. Any province, sir? Oriental. Oriental is Buffer. Jubilee, proceeding to Buffer. Oriental.
Buffer, ready.
Buffer. Buffer base, Kaiser 6. Buffer base, Kaiser 6.
Sir 6, this is Buffer, sir. Good morning.
Just for the record, Buffer, state your name and location.
Sir, 10-11, sir, inyo POCK. Into 0, transmitting here. Dopo, PHQ. Barangay Daikan, City of Mati, over.
Tango, stand by. So, sir, these are the patrol cars of Davao Oriental. Can you choose one, sir? Buffer, Oriental. Oh, bigla namatay ang signal ng Zoom. Buffer. Open Zoom ang AnyDesk. Yan, open. Sige, sir. Can you choose one patrol car, sir? Sa ating... Yan, sir. Pwede kayong... Lahat ng mga patrol car niyan, sir. So, any patrol car in particular that you want to call, natatawagan natin dito, sir, yan. Yes, sir. Saan, sir, ang tawagan natin? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, namamatay. Bumabagsak ang signal ng Oriental. Nagde-drop. Buffer, open Zoom signal. For the moment, we can also go to Occidental, power. Sige. Occidental, power. Huh, nag-brown out. Sige lang. It's okay. Kailan? Marami tayong gagawin dyan. Power, Kaiser 6. Power, Kaiser 6.
Kaiser 6, sir. Go ahead. Power now. Good morning, sir.
So we transfer sa Occidental, sir. Biglang nag-brown out ang Oriental.
Sir, go ahead, sir. Kaiser 6, good morning. Power now, sir. Good morning, sir.
Stand by. Sir, alin ang gusto mo, sir, na patrol car na tawagan natin? Okay, sir. So itong Santa Maria, sir, nakapark lang yan, sir. Sodium 1856. Sodium 1856, Kaiser 6. Sodium 1856, Kaiser 6. Full screen. Sodium 1856. Sodium 1856. Kaiser 6. Silicon, silicon, nitrogen, nitrogen, Kaiser 6. Davao Occidental, sir.
6, this is Silicon 6.
Silicon, silicon, just for the record, state your name and your location.
Sir, good morning. 1011, Police Major Ronilo G. Teman, Chief of Police. 1013, Sani. 1020 at Siabat Santos Municipal Police Station, Barangay Caboras Mall. O Siabat Santos, Davao Occidental. How copy, sir?
That's how we call them, sir. So, Tango, Kaiser 612. Like Davao del Sur. Let's go to Davao del Sur. One more time, sir. Davao del Sur. Na. Yan, sir. Marami ang kanyang patrol car. Matrix base, Kaiser 6. Matrix base, Kaiser 6. So, yan, sir.
Matrix Bay. Go ahead, sir.
So, like for example, sir, patrol car ng Santa Cruz. Neon Mobile Patrol 907. Mobile Patrol 907, Kaiser 6. Ito, sir, sa gitna. Yes, sir.
Go ahead, sir. This is 907 now.
907, just for the record, state your name and your location. Sa gitna. Full screen, yan.
This is Sardido and this is Canilasa, sir. Location at Tagabuloy, Santa Cruz, Davao del Sur.
Copy 907, pwede ka bang bumaba sa patrol car, harap sa camera, at saludo sa ating bisita.
Copy, sir.
So, lahat sila, sir, pati yung mga, at real time, we can actually verify what they are doing at any given time. So, yan, sir, sasaludo sa ng isa, inita niya ng body niya. Good job. Carry on. So, for the Metro Manila, sir, stand by all units. Paki-open nung ating pinakitang yung na-record natin sa Panabo. This is what happened in Panabo, sir. While we
Stop, ma'am. Inyo pigilig.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Nagsisigaw.
Ganun ba, ma'am?
Acknowledge ni Service Major
Isa sa mga drones natin, sir, sa
Temporal monitoring units on the roster base, Big Sanggu, roster base 1-2, over. Break, attentional units. I repeat, attentional units on the roster base.
This is what drone, sir. This is live.
Private peace, ma'am, good afternoon. Kindly advise you.
So, yan, sir. Live yan, sir.
Good morning, sir.
So, grid view. So, ang isa, sir, is nandun sa Falcon 11 to swimming pool nga. Close up sa swimming pool.
Yes, sir.
Stop, ma'am. Inyo pigilig. Ganun ba,
survey, sir.
Acknowledge the service bay, sir.
Ang susay yung katulan.
Ten for all monitoring units on the roster base, Big Sanggu, roster base 1-2, over. Break, attention all units. I repeat, attention all units on the roster base. Private Peace Mama, good afternoon. Kindly advise you.
So sir, ito sir ang mga sample sir na accomplishment ng drone sir. Isa itong follow-up operation sa Quezon City sir. So may tumakbong suspect sa squatters area, built-up area, hinahanap ng mga pulis sir. So ito sir ang nangyari sa kanya. Yan sir. That guy was arrested, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mr. President, that is your Philippine National Police today, sir. Thank you very much for visiting us. Good morning, sir.